Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing eggless single serving oil-free chocolate chip cookie made without an oven. No maida, no eggs, no refined sugar, no oven and no oil. Super healthy and easy to make at home. It takes just 15 minutes to make this healthy chocolate chip cookie recipe. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make single serving eggless and oil-free cookies, I'm using a 6.5-inch cast iron skillet. Instead of this skillet, you can also use a flat plate like this. I'm making this cookie without an oven, that is on the stove top. The skillet or pan is well seasoned and I'm placing a parchment paper and I'm going to keep this aside. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1/3 cup Kapli wheat flour. Kapli wheat flour is an ancient wheat grain which has a very weak gluten molecule and it is also high in fiber. Hence I prefer to use them more in my recipes. However, if you don't have Kapli wheat flour, you can use ordinary whole wheat flour instead. 1/3 cup will be 4 tablespoons of Kapli wheat flour. Add in 1/8 teaspoon baking powder, 2 fat pinches of pink Himalayan salt, and give this all a mix. Add in 1.5 tablespoon kakwi. Kakwi is also known as liquid jaggery. Instead of kakwi, you can use melted jaggery, melted palm sugar, melted coconut sugar, or even maple syrup. So that is 1.5 tablespoon of kakwi. Add in 3 tablespoon 100% all natural peanut butter. So that is 3 tablespoons of 100% all natural peanut butter. I've already shared how to make all natural peanut butter. Please do check my channel for the recipe. Add in a few drops of vanilla essence. And with a spoon or a spatula, just mix this all up. Okay, now the cookie batter is nicely mixed. Knead the dough a couple of times and gather it into a small dough. And lightly press and flatten it. Just shape the sides. The sides may crack. You just need to shape it as you flatten it. This is a very healthy single serving cookie. There is no added oil or eggs in this recipe and easy to make. You can make it in just 15 minutes. So next time when you have that craving for a cookie, you can instantly make this at home. Then place it on the skillet. Just lightly flatten it out. You can shape the cracked edges with your fingers like this. Okay, now it's nicely spread. You can top the cookies with dark chocolate chips or nuts of your choice. I'm using 2 small squares of dark chocolate and I'm going to chop and top it over the cookies. You can also mix the dark chocolate in the cookie batter. Either way is perfectly fine. Place the chopped dark chocolates on top of the cookie dough. Now you can bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, or you can bake it on the stove top over a tawa. So today I'm going to show you how to bake it without an oven on the stove top. To bake the cookie on the stove top, I'm using my roti tawa and I have already heated my roti tawa. So it is heated and onto the tawa I'm placing the skillet. Reduce the flame to the lowest, cover with a lid, and let it bake on low flame for exactly 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the flame, open the lid, and remove the cookie from the tawa. You can see that the sides of the cookies has slightly browned and are crisp, but if you press in the center it will be slightly soft, but that doesn't matter. It will become perfect once it has cooled down. So I'm going to allow this to cool down in the pan, and then I'll transfer and slice and show you how crispy and perfectly baked. Once it has cooled down, I'm going to remove it from the pan. See how nicely the chocolate chip cookie has come out. I really can't wait to enjoy this healthy chocolate chip cookie. My daughter is eyeing on the cookie, so I'll probably have to share with her. So guys, do try this healthy, crispy, crunchy chocolate chip cookies and let me know how it turned out. Also, let me know in the comments if you would like to see more healthy single serving recipes like this. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.